Hello, how you doing? I'm Ben's Hilaire, and I am the founder, creator of Jwett.io. So Jwett is a crowdsourcing, community-driven platform that help investors save money from being scammed in cryptos and NFTs investment. So here's how the website works. You can either do two things: search for the names of NFTs that might be a scam, or you could help the community by adding names of cryptos and NFTs that are scam. So for example, let's just say we want to add Squid Game token. So first you write the name of it, then you add the contract address. So in our case, Squid Game, copy, you go back here, we paste the address, and then we could say I was looking to invest, okay, let's just $200. This is a scam because my good friend put money in but cannot get money out. You do that, and then you click add. Boom, you've added Squid Game as a scam on our platform. It's that easy. Now to search for it, you just go here, you type in Squid Game, and then you click on search. It'll say, okay, scam been found. So from there on, you just select the payment, and then you'll see the results of that scam. And boom, so from there, it will show you the results of that scam.